Hi, I'm Dave Marcheskie, Senior Communications Manager at Limerick Generating Station. I wanted to post another short video to update you on COVID-19 and answer a few more questions about a refueling outage underway now. Question 1. Have any outage workers contracted the virus and who are you notifying? Well, as of April 5th, 3 of the more than 1,000 outage employees and contractors have confirmed cases of COVID-19. They have all received medical attention and are resting at home. Of course, we're thinking about our colleagues and wishing them a quick recovery. And we do provide a daily update to county health officials. For confirmed cases, we include the workers' last day on site and what we are doing to notify and isolate any potentially exposed coworkers and disinfect any areas that may be affected. Question 2. Well, I live in the area. Should I be worried about the outage bringing more cases to Montgomery County? Well, we do understand and appreciate the concern, but please know that no sick, symptomatic, or high-risk workers are allowed on site, and we are going above and beyond CDC guidelines and leveraging technology to prevent the virus from reaching the site and spreading into the community. We also provide specific instructions to our workers and remind them daily to follow all county and state COVID-19 travel and lodging requirements. Specifically, we tell them to limit off-shift travel from home into work whenever possible and avoid all off-site gatherings, frequent hand washing while off-duty, and sanitizing of personal belongings like clothes, cell phones, keys, and credit cards. And we've taken precautions to encourage and enforce social distancing on site. Wherever employees might congregate, we've painted spacing dots on sidewalks and floors to keep workers 6 feet apart. And wherever possible, we've released employees to work from home, like me, and staggered shifts to eliminate crowded turnovers. We brought in 20 modular office space trailers and hired around-the-clock monitors to coach and correct workers to enforce our expectations. If there are tasks that can't be done safely, we stop, implement workarounds, or provide additional personal protective equipment, like gowns, face shields, and masks. All of these things together are keeping us and you as safe as possible. Well, question 3. Some elected officials are calling on Exelon to require all outage workers to quarantine for 2 weeks after the outage. Are you doing this? Well, the answer is no, and here are a few reasons why. Well, first, Exelon cannot force contract workers to remain in the area after the outage against their will. We just do not have that authority. Second, symptomatic and high-risk individuals are already prohibited from entering Limerick, and anyone who develops symptoms during the outage is encouraged to go directly home, seek medical attention, and self-quarantine. Third, these workers are considered essential by the U.S. federal government and the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania. And just like the first responders, healthcare workers, and grocery store employees, these specialized workers perform tasks that are vital to the nation's power grid, and they must be released to perform similar work at other plants. Question 4. A local paper is reporting that Limerick's outage and their contractors are scared to work at the station, citing health concerns. Is this true? Well, as you know out there, these are scary times. And Limerick's outage workers are not immune to the concerns and fears expressed by other essential workers who are on the front lines every day during the COVID-19 pandemic. And as we learn more about the virus, we are enhancing our precautions daily and using contractor feedback to improve our safety and measures. Social distancing is an ever-present challenge, and we continue to look for ways to improve every task, every shift, every day. The outage is nearing the halfway point, and the number of positive cases of COVID-19 at Limerick remain very low. Well, I hope these videos are helpful, and if you have any questions, visit exeloncorp.com and search for Limerick. I'll gather your questions and post another video soon. Take care and be safe.